Children, as you all know that India is having a monsoon type of climate. The word monsoon is derived from Arabic word mausim, means season. It refers to seasonal reversal of wind direction. Children, here we will study how this seasonal reversal of wind is taking place. You see two map. In one map I have written summer, another is winter season. Now what happened in summer? See, there is increase in temperature and fall in pressure, and this created a low pressure area over Indian subcontinent, and high pressure area prevails over the Indian Ocean. As you all know that wind always move from high pressure to low pressure, so during summer wind is coming from sea to land. Now come to winter season. Now what happened during winter? Temperature decreases and there is increase in pressure, which prevails high pressure, which develops high pressure over Indian subcontinent, and low pressure is over Indian Ocean. As you all know, on 22nd December sun rays are vertical in the southern hemisphere on Tropic of Capricorn. So low pressure is on ocean. So as we know that wind always move from high to low pressure, so now here the wind is moving from land to sea. So in this you can see there is a complete reversal of wind direction. Now children, let us talk about the Coriolis force. What is Coriolis force? Now see here, as you all know that earth is a sphere and it rotates on its axis from west to east, and due to this rotation force created, and due to this force what happened? See here, these are northeast trade wind. These northeast trade wind, they deflect towards their right in the northern hemisphere, and southeast trade wind, they deflect towards their left in the southern hemisphere, and this is known as Coriolis force or Ferrel's law. Now see, the definition is given above. An apparent force caused by the earth rotation. The Coriolis force is responsible for deflecting the wind towards the right in the northern hemisphere and towards the left in the southern hemisphere. This is also known as Ferrel's law. Thank you. Now children, in this video we will talk about the jet stream. Jet streams, they are upper air circulation basically, and these jet streams are located approximately over 27 degree latitude, 27 degree to 30 degree latitude in northern hemisphere, as well as 27 to 30 degree latitude in southern hemisphere. In this diagram you can see two types of jet streams. One is polar jet stream, another is subtropical jet stream in both the hemisphere. Now these jet streams, basically these are the narrow belt of high altitude. They blow in the upper layer of troposphere at a height of about 12,000 meter. Their speed vary from 110 km in summer to about 184 km in winter. Children, a number of separate jet streams have been identified, which you can see in this diagram. The most constant are the mid latitude and the subtropical jet stream. Thank you.